Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different type of things, different type of animals, different type of foods and many other things. We learn about sun, moon, stars. We learn about safety rules which we have to follow at our home, at school and on road. We learn about air and water, which is the most important thing for living life. We learn about uses of water, uses of air, and we learn about weather also. That weather is changes every day. We learn about different type of days, different type of season, and many other things. Right? So all these things we learn in science. Every day in science we learn something new, right? So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we continue our lesson number 13, weather, and today's topic is fair book exercise, right? So in this lesson we learn about weather, that different type of season, we learn about the different type of days, we learn about hot days, we learn about cold days and many other things. So when we learn about all these things, we learn that according to different seasons and days we have to wear different type of clothes. So today first we revise this lesson, then we revise our previous lecture, then we start our today's topic, and today's topic is fair book exercise. Today we complete fill in the blank. So let's start our today's lecture. So the line is, failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of success. It means when you fail in anything, when you are start to achieving goal, you try again and again. If you fail, so you think that now I don't do this thing or I cannot doing this, right? So here the line is, if you are failing something, so don't feel that now I cannot succeed, but think in your mind that failure is just a part of the success. You learn many things from your failure. For example, when you are doing any homework, when you are doing your study in first time, when you start learning, you not learn as fast, but again and again when you try to learn. So when you learn something, right, so you try to learn your question answer or any notes, right? So first time when you learn, so you forget some words, but when you learn again and again, so at that time you are succeed, right? So like that, failure is not the opposite of success, it is a part of the success. So keep your mind, think that I can do it. It is the most important thing, right? So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's lecture. So our today's topic is fair book exercise. But which exercise? Fill in the blanks. And which lesson it is? It is lesson number 13. This lesson is about weather. So what is meaning of weather? So weather is the atmosphere which is changes every day. So in this lesson we learn about 4 types of the day. Which are they? Sunny day, windy day, cold day and hot day, right, and rainy days. So these all are the days which we learn in this lesson, and we learn about seasons also. We learn about different type of clothes also which we wear to protect our body in different season. So our lesson number 13 is about weather, right? So today we revise this lesson, then we start our today's topic, and we also revise the hard words which we learn in previous lecture. So let's revise what we learn in this lesson, right? So in this lesson we learn about 4 different types of the day. right? So which day they are? Here you can see the hot sunny day, you can see the rainy day, and you can see the winter. It means cold days and windy day. So these 4 types of the day you learn in this lesson, right? So why we revise this? Because today we complete our fill in the blanks, and you need to know that what we learn in this lesson. So that's why we revise all these things. So what we learn in this lesson? 4 types of the day, and some days are very hot in year, some days are very cold, and some days are rain heavily. So according to them we divide the seasons. So some days of the year are very hot, and this season is known as summer season. Some days of the year are very cold, and this season is known as winter season. And some days it rain heavily, right? So that's why these days are known as monsoon. So we learn about 3 seasons plus 2 other seasons, and which are the autumn and spring. So these 5 seasons we learn in this lesson. We learn that in spring the flowers bloom, many flowers. When we learn about autumn, we learn that many leaves are become dry, right? So it is season of fall also, right? So we learn about 5 seasons, we learn about 4 days, and we learn about 1 day. It is windy day. So some day the wind blow very fast, and because of that you can see here the windy day, the last one. We also learn about the things we use in different seasons. Like in summer we are wearing cotton clothes and we are using umbrella. In winter we wear woolen clothes, and at snow at some places, and at that time we are using umbrella. When we learn about rainy days or season of rain or monsoon, we learn that we wear raincoat in rainy season to protect ourselves from rain, and we are using umbrella and gum shoes also in this season. So all these things we learn in this lesson. So let's see that what we learn in previous lecture. So in previous lecture we write the hard words, right? So let's quickly revise the hard word and start our today's topic. So our first hard word is WEATHER. So we see the picture of weather. Here you can see the weather, different type of weather. Here you can see that snowfall, you can see here rain also, you can see here sun also. So it is the 4 type of day. We learn sunny day, cold day, windy day, and rainy day. So this is weather, which is changes every day. Then we learn the second hard word, sunny day, SUNNY. What is meaning of sunny day? The sun shines very brightly. So it is sunny day, we wear cotton clothes during this day, right? So it is the picture of sunny day. Then our next hard word is windy day, WINDY, windy, DAY day. Windy day means wind blow very fast, and here you can see because of wind the things are moving very fast, right? So it is the picture of windy day. Mostly these days we see in monsoon, mostly, but in every season you can feel this windy day. How? When you are in summer days, the season of summer start. Sometimes because of waves, heat waves, you can feel the windy day. When you are in winter, season of cold days, because of cold waves, the windy day is very cold. And when it is monsoon, there is rain also and the wind also, right? So these all are the 4 types of the day. In windy day you feel in every season, right? So wind blow very fast in windy day. Then our next day is rainy day. So rainy day, it means rains heavily, right? So it is the day, on that day rains heavily, and these days are also known as monsoon, right? So here you can see the picture of rainy day. You can see here rain. So when there is rain, the day is known as rainy day, right? So it is the picture of rainy day. Then our next hard word is shines brightly. SHINES BRIGHTLY. Shines brightly, it means here you can see the picture of sun. And when the sun shines very brightly, this day is known as sunny day. So in this lesson we learn about summer season and we learn about sun. So sun shines very brightly, right? So here you can see the picture of shines brightly, and because of that we feel heat in the day, become very hot, right? So here you can see the next is during. The hard word is during. Warm, WARM. Warm means we need to keep ourselves warm in winter. Warm means heat or hot, right? So here you can see the picture of summer season, and you can see here the sun is also, and because of that the day become warm. Then our next hard word is woolen, WOOLLEN. Woolen means the things which we made from wool. Wool we get from sheep, which we already learned in lesson number 9. So here you can see the picture of woolen clothes, and here you can see the different clothes: cap, sweater, gloves, and many other things. So it is the picture of woolen clothes. Heavily, HEAVILY. So what is meaning of heavily? When we learn about rain in this lesson, we learn that in some places rains heavily, right? So when we learn about air in lesson number 11, so at that time heavily means we learn about the balloon and their weight. But in this lesson we learn about rain, because rain heavily, it means one day continue, 3 day, 4 day constant rain. So it means rains heavily. Then our next hard word is protect. PROTECT. It means protect something or save something, right? So here you can see the picture of house, and you can see the umbrella also. So what is meaning of this? It means the umbrella is protecting the house, right? So here you can see the picture of house, and it is just a picture. You never see any umbrella in the picture, you can see, but in real on any house you not see umbrella, right? So it just the meaning is that to protect house from different things, right? So here you can see the picture of protect. Then our next hard word is blow, BLOW. Blow, it means wind blow very fast. So here you can see the picture of wind which is blowing very fast, and because of that the tree is moving. Then our next hard word is strong wind. What is meaning of strong wind? So here you can see the picture of strong wind, and you can see because of strong wind the trees are moving, and sometimes the trees are fall down. Sometimes the people are also roaming into the atmosphere because of strong wind. Sometimes the houses, sometimes car are also roaming, and because of that strong wind, right? So here you can see the picture of strong wind. Then the seasons, we learn about the seasons, that some days are very hot, some days are very cold, some days are rains heavily, and because of that we are divided into the seasons, right? So we learn about 5 seasons, which are the summer, winter, monsoon, autumn, and spring. Autumn is the season of fall. Here you can see the picture of the fall. It means the leaves become dry and they fall down. That's why we called it fall also. So here you can see the picture of autumn. Then our next season is winter. So we already learned about winter. It is very cold days, right? So that's why we need to wear woolen clothes. Here you can see the picture of winter. On some places there is snowfall also. Then our next season is spring. Many flowers are blooming into the season of spring, and you can see many butterflies in this season. Then our next hard word is monsoon. Season of rain. Rains heavily, which we learn in this lesson. Then our next hard word is summer. SUMMER. So in summer season we feel very hot, and that's why we need to keep ourselves cool. So here you can see the picture of summer, and you can see the sun shines very brightly. So our hard word is summer, right? So all these things we learn in previous lecture. And our today's topic is fill in the blanks. So what we have to do in this? We have fill the blanks with one correct word. So we have two options. So one option is right. When one is wrong, we have to choose the correct answer. So let's see our first fill in the blank. Number 1. Dash changes every day. We have options here, weather and season. So when we learn about season, we learn that 5 types of season. Which are they? Summer, monsoon, winter, spring and autumn. And we learn about weather also. So what is weather? So weather is changes every day. We learn about 4 types of the day, right? So which are they? Sunny day, cold day, windy day and rainy day, right? So let's see the pictures here. We have one picture here. You can see here 4 type of picture, and you can see here the sun also, you can see here rain also and snow also, right? So it means it is weather, right? So it is the picture of weather. So what changes every day? Seasons are changes every day. When we learn about season, we learn about summer season. So we learn that some days of the year are very hot, when some days of the year are very cold, and some days rains heavily, right? So it is about the year. So we divide days in the seasons. So hot days are known as summer. So right now the summer season start. So today we feel hot. If the season is summer, so the many days are very hot, right? It is not changes every day. It is changes after some days or after some month. Mostly after 4 months the season is changed, right? So when we learn about the different season, just now the winter is finished, right? So now the which season starts? Summer season. So we feel hot for 3 or 4 months, right? So the weather is changes every day. Season is not changes every day, right? Because we learn about season, and we learn that some days of the year are very hot, when some are very cold, when some rains heavily. So it means it is about the many days, not about the one day, right? So the weather is changes every day. As I told you that in summer season sometimes you feel cold also, like right now in afternoon you all feel hot, right? And in morning you all know there is cold, right? So that's why the weather is changes every day, and season is changes after some days, right? So you can understand that what is the answer? Weather changes every day, right? So let's see our next fill in the blanks. Number 2. We wear cotton clothes in dash right? So we have about two seasons here, winter and summer, right? So the FB is about the season also and the clothes also, right? So let's see the options here. We have two options, winter. So here you can see the picture of winter. So as we know that in winter season at some places there is snowfall, right? So that's why here you can see the picture of snowfall. The students or the children are playing there with the snow, right? And let's see our second picture. Our second picture is the picture of the summer. Now you tell me that which type of clothes they are wearing in first picture of winter. So which type of clothes is that? Cotton clothes. You can see here thick clothes which is made up of wool, right? So in summer season what we wear? We wear cotton clothes. Here you can see the picture of one girl and you can see that the clothes of this girl is very thin and it is made up of cotton, right? So we wear cotton clothes in dash winter or summer. So in winter you can see the children are wearing woolen clothes and woolen cap. When in second picture, the picture of summer, what you see? The girl is wearing cotton clothes. So what is the answer? The answer is summer. SUMMER. So we wear cotton clothes in summer, right? So here the answer is summer. So we wear cotton clothes in summer, right? So let's write the answer SUMMER. In winter season we are wearing woolen clothes, not cotton clothes, because we need to keep ourselves warm in winter season. That's why we wear woolen clothes. In summer season we need to wear the thin clothes which keep our body cool. That's why we need to wear cotton clothes, right? So we wear cotton clothes in summer. Now let's see our next FB. It's snowfall at some places in dash. Snowfalls means it is the rain, but rain of ice, right? So it is the meaning is ice, right? So like rain, in rain we see water. In snowfall there is a snow. It means the form of ice. So as I give you the example that when you open your freezer, and in your freezer you can see, in chamber you can see that the freezed ice, not the cubes but around the chamber you can see. When you take this ice with your hand, you can understand the wall of the chamber is covered with the ice. So snow is looking like that, right? So it is harmful to eat, but you can understand that this snow fall is looking like that, right? So when you eat the gola, right? So at that time when the person is moving the machine which made of ice gola, right? So that's why this ice gola, the ice is the snow, right? So it's snowfall at some places in winter. So we have two options here, winter and summer, and you can see two pictures again which you see in second FB. So where is snow in this? In first picture or in second picture? In first picture. So snowfall in winter season, because first picture of the season is winter, right? So it's snowfall at some places in winter. So let's write the answer WINTER. So here you can easily understand the different season also and what is the atmosphere in these seasons, right? So here you can see the picture of summer and winter. In summer season, sun shines very brightly, so there is no chance of snowfall. Right? In winter season, because of cold waves, at some places there is the snowfall. Right? So it's snowfall at some places in winter in our country. We see snowfall in winter. Cities like Jammu and Kashmir, in Simla also, in Manali also, these all are the places in winter where snowfall. Right? So it's snowfall at some places in winter. Let's see our next F. So our next FB is wind blow very fast on dash day. Wind blow very fast. So we learn about 4 types of the day in this lesson. Which are they? The days are hot days, cold days, rainy days and windy days. So in which season wind blow very fast? In rainy season or in cold days or in summer season? When we revise this lesson, we learn in starting of this lecture that in every season there is windy day, right? So what blow very fast in windy day? Wind. So we have here 2 pictures. In first picture you can see wind blow very fast, and in second picture you can see the cold days, right? So in which days wind blow very fast? Windy day or cold day? In windy day, because in cold day we feel cold, and in windy day we see that the wind blow very fast. Right? So because of that there is a storm also, right? So wind blow very fast on windy day, right? So here the answer windy, windy day. Now number 5 is we use dash in rainy day, right? So we have 2 options here, raincoat and hat, right? So what is meaning of rainy day? So it rains heavily or it rain, right? So in monsoon the rainy days are, right? So we use days in rainy days. So when we learn about monsoon and when we learn about rainy days, we learn that we are using different type of clothes in rainy day. We are not wearing woolen clothes, we are not wearing cotton clothes. Why? Because we need to keep ourselves safe from rain or water. Right? So mostly we are not going out in rain, but if it is emergency and we are going out in rain, right? So we need to cover ourselves, right? So we use different type of things, umbrella, gum shoes and one cloth or one coat. In which coat it is? Let's see. We have here 2 options. You can see here raincoat and you can see here hat. So in which picture you can see rain? In first picture or in second picture? In first picture, right? So because of rain we need to keep ourselves safe from water. So what we use in rainy day? We use hat. Hat keep ourselves safe from rain, yes or no? No. Hat become wet in rain because of water, right? So what is the right answer? We use dash in rainy day, raincoat or hat. The answer is raincoat. So I write here the answer raincoat. So what we learned today? Today we complete fill in the blanks, our fair book exercise. So I hope you all understand what we learned today and I hope you enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.